Welcome to another appliance repair video where you can repair all your major household appliances. Today we're working on a Kenmore Elite front load washer, and I'm going to show you how to put this in diagnostic. And in diagnostic you can confirm what is wrong with it. You can let the hot water come in, cold water come in. You could have it wash. You can advance it as it's in diagnostic mode to do all these things to see that they do it, and also the spin cycle as well. So let's get started. So these are the controls on this particular washer. The model number is 110-429-22-200. So here are the instructions on my iPad. In order to get yours, if it's like this or similar, it should work out. And we'll start at press the control on if yours has a control button. This one doesn't. You select drain speed. You press the spin speed until it shows no spin. And then depending upon your washer, if it has pre-wash option or if it has rinse hold, you're going to press that 4 times within 5 seconds when it's time to do that. And if that don't work, you can just hit cancel, and you can hit it twice. You could hit the pre-wash option twice or the rinse hold if yours has that feature twice. It's going to work either way, but on mine, on this particular one, we're going to hit it 4 times. So let's do it. Okay, so this one doesn't have a control on. I'm going to hit the drain and spin, and that's going to turn it on. And then we're going to go over here to the spin speed, and we're going to put no spin. We're getting into diagnostic mode. And then this one doesn't have a rinse hold, so, but it does have the pre-wash, as you can see. So you can hit that 4 times within 5 seconds. If yours have a rinse hold, that's what you'll be doing. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see it's in diagnostic mode right now because it says C00. And I'll take you to the iPad to show you the steps. Right now you can actually see if the cold water comes in, because that's, I think that was the door lock actually, or probably even both, because the door did lock. And then the cold water is coming in. And there it goes. You can see the door lock was C00, CO1 was cold valve, CO2 is dispenser, CO3 is hot valve, CO4 is wash tumble, CO5 is heater tumble, CO6 will be the drain pump, CO7 will be the slow spin, and CO8 finally will be the high spin. So by doing this, you can confirm what's going on. As you know, we're in CO3 right now, and CO3 was the hot water valve. So you can see if the hot water valve is coming in slowly or if you're having a problem. And also it could throw codes too. Up here in the display, you can have a F01 or F02 or something like that, and then there'll be an explanation in your service tech manual to tell you what that code means. And also, if you wanted to advance it, you could just press the pre-wash twice. So watch how I advance it. Pre-wash. And you see it went to C4, so it advanced. This one is making a knocking noise because the bearings are worn out. And if yours is making a noise like this, it's probably not in your best interest to repair it unless you're doing it yourself, because the cost on the parts and the amount of the labor is up there, like a new washer, so it's not worth it. But here we have CO5, and CO5 is the tumble. CO6 will be the drain. So you can wait till it goes to the next one by itself, or you can advance it by pressing the pre-wash twice. Now it's going to the drain pump. CO6. And you can hear the drain pump on. Drain water's coming out. And once it drains completely, you can move on to the spin cycle. The CO7 will be the slow spin, and CO8 will be the high spin. Make sure it's all drained out before you advance. You can see how the drum is turning on a warp. It's going to make more noise. And that's going to be very noisy, so I just turned that off. So if yours sounds like a freight train or a jetliner, it's the drum bearings, and it's wobbling like that. All right, so thank you for watching. If this video has been a benefit to you, hit the like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate you watching. Thank you, and have a wonderful day. Bye.